This is my game, Zombie Survival. Zombie Survival, as opposed to human survival, they had their chance. It's a city builder where you start with a small horde of zombies, work your way up to a large horde of zombies. It's still in early development, but there is a demo available on Steam. If you just go look for Zombie Survival or Zombie Survival demo on Steam, you'll find it. The zombies look like, oops. Zombies look like that, so you'll be able to recognize it. I'm a solo dev. It's just me. I'm hoping to get a bigger team in the future. Otherwise, this is going to take me forever. I'm using the Unity engine. And I purchased the assets from the Cinti Studios.